Chapter 8 Factors and Multiples. Factors. To paste in the stamp album, Munish has 16 new stamps. He can arrange them in different blocks like this. 4 rows of 4 stamps. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 2 rows of 8 stamps. 2 into 8 is equal to 16. 1 row of 16 stamps. 1 into 16 is equal to 16. 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 are all factors of 16. When two counting numbers are multiplied, we get a product. Each number is a factor of the product. Finding factors. We can find the factors by two methods. Method 1. Using multiplication to find factors. Let us find the factors of 12. 1 into 12 is equal to 12. So, 1 and 12 are factors of 12. 2 into 6 is equal to 12. So, 2 and 6 are factors of 12. 3 into 4 is equal to 12. So, 3 and 4 are factors of 12. From these multiplications, we find that 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12 are all factors of 12. Similarly, we can use more than two numbers to find a product. All the numbers used to find a product are factors of the product. 2 into 3 into 4 is equal to 24. So, the numbers 2, 3 and 4 are factors of 24. 3 into 4 into 6 is equal to 72. So, the numbers 3, 4 and 6 are factors of 72. Method 2. Using division to find factors. 6 divided by 1 is equal to 6. 6 divided by 2 is equal to 3. Or 6 divided by 6 is equal to 1. 6 divided by 3 is equal to 2. 1, 2, 3, 6 are factors of 6. So, factors are also divisors of a number. Let us find the factors of 15. Now, study the following. From the above examples, we find 3 and 5 are factors of 15. Also, 1 and 15 are factors of 15. Thus, 1, 3, 5 and 15 are factors of 15.
When a number is divided exactly, that means leaving remainder 0, the divisor and the quotient are factors of the dividend.
Example 1. Is 3 a factor of 54? Solution. We shall divide 54 by 3. Since 3 divides 54 exactly, 3 is a factor of 54. Example 2. Is 8 a factor of 91? Solution. We shall divide 91 by 8. Since 8 does not divide 91 exactly, 8 is not a factor of 91. Example 3. Find all the factors of 24. Solution. 24 divided by 1 is equal to 24. 24 divided by 2 is equal to 12. 24 divided by 3 is equal to 8. 24 divided by 4 is equal to 6. 24 divided by 5 does not divide exactly. 24 divided by 6 is equal to 4. Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Alternative method. 1 into 24 is equal to 24. 2 into 12 is equal to 24. 3 into 8 is equal to 24. 4 into 6 is equal to 24. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. 8 into 3 is equal to 24. 12 into 2 is equal to 24. 24 into 1 is equal to 24. 4 and 6 are factors. 3 and 8 are factors. 2 and 12 are factors. 1 and 24 are factors. Thus 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24 are the factors of 24. Fact file. 1 is a factor of every number. Every number is a factor of itself. Factor of a number is less than or equal to the number. 1 is the smallest factor of a number. The greatest factor of a number is the number itself. Every number other than 1 has at least two factors, namely 1 and the number itself. Common factors. A number that is a factor of two or more numbers is called a common factor. Example 1. Find the common factors of 5 and 15. Solution. Factors of 5 is equal to 1, 5. Factors of 15 is equal to 1, 3, 5, 15. Common factors of 5 and 15 is equal to 1, 5. Example 2. Find the common factors of 12 and 18. Solution. Factors of 12 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. Factors of 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. Common factors of 12 and 18 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 6. Do these. 1. Reasoning proof. 1. Find which of the following numbers are factors of 16. 2. Write any two factors of communication. 3. Reasoning proof. 4. List all the factors of communication. 5. Write the two-digit number that has reasoning proof. 6. Find the common factors of problem solving. 7. Multiples. When two or more numbers are multiplied together, we get a product. The product is a multiple of each of the numbers being multiplied. Study the following multiplications. A. 6 into 4 is equal to 24. B. 3 into 9 is equal to 27. C. 5 into 7 is equal to 35. D. 10 into 2 into 4 is equal to 80. From A, we say that 24 is a multiple of 6 as well as of 4. From B, we say that 27 is a multiple of 3 as well as of 9. From C, we say that 35 is a multiple of 5 as well as of 7. From D, we say that 80 is a multiple of 10, 2 as well as of 4. We can find a multiple of number by multiplying that number by 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Example: multiples of 4 are 4 into 1 is equal to 4, 4 into 2 is equal to 8, 4 into 3 is equal to 12, 4 into 4 is equal to 16, 4 into 5 is equal to 20, 4 into 6 is equal to 24 and so on. Thus, multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24 and so on. Similarly, multiples of 5 are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. Relation of multiples and factors. Multiples and factors of a number are related to each other. 2 is a factor of 6, so 6 is a multiple of 2. 5 is a factor of 10, so 10 is a multiple of 5. Also, 12 is a multiple of 4, since 4 is a factor of 12. Note: 15 is not a multiple of 6 because 6 is not a factor of 15.
There is no end to multiples of a number.
Example 1. Write the first 5 multiples of 4. Solution: 4 into 1 is equal to 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 into 4 is equal to 16. 4 into 5 is equal to 20. The first 5 multiples of 4 are 4, 8, 12, 16, 20. Example 2. Is 84 a multiple of 2? Solution: 84 divided by 2. 2 into 4 is equal to 8. 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. 2 into 2 is equal to 4. 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. There is no remainder. Therefore, 84 is a multiple of 2. Example 3. Is 93 a multiple of 6? Solution: 93 divided by 6. 6 into 1 is equal to 6. 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. 6 into 5 is equal to 30. 33 minus 30 is equal to 3. 6 does not divide 93 exactly. Therefore, 93 is not a multiple of 6. Common multiples. A number that is a multiple of 2 or more numbers is called a common multiple. Example 1. Let us consider the first 5 multiples of 3 and 6. Solution: multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, so on. Multiplies of 6, 6, 12, 18, 24, 30 and so on. Common multiples of 3 and 6 is equal to 6 and 12. As the numbers 6 and 12 appear in both the lists of multiples, they are the common multiples of 3 and 6. Example 2. Find the common multiples of 2 and 3. Solution. Multiples of 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, so on. Multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, so on. Common multiples of 2 and 3 is equal to 6, 12, 18, so on. Fact file. Every number is a multiple of 1. A number is a multiple of itself. Every multiple of a number is greater than or equal to the number itself. There is no end to multiplies of a number. Multiples of 2 are even numbers. Multiples of 10 always end in 0. Multiples of 5 always end in 0 or 5. Do these too. 1. Write any 5 multiples of communication. 2. Write the first 4 multiples of communication. 3. Say whether the following are true or false. Reasoning proof. 4. Find the first 3 common multiples of problem solving. 5. Fill and drill. Reasoning proof. Fun time. 1. Magic multiples. Fun time. 2. Sort out the multiples.